We are the hunters. The gatherers. The dreamers. The thrill seekers. We are the makers. And our passion is always on display.